Dear students, in this video I am going to explain the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. After watching this video, you may know why hydrogen is placed in the first group even though it is a gas. Why hydrogen is not placed in the 7th A group even though it is non-metal, and what IUPAC says about the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. The position of hydrogen in the periodic table you can observe here. In the first A group, hydrogen is placed in the first A group. Hydrogen is the lightest element found in the periodic table, but some of the properties gives an idea. Hydrogen is also have the position in 17th group, or we call 7th A group, that is halogens. Justify the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Here is the perfect answer for that question. There is no fixed position for hydrogen, as position of elements on the periodic table largely depends on their electronic configuration. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table, as its atomic number is 1. It has only one electron in its atom. The electronic configuration is ns1, and thus only one electron in their outermost shell, like alkali metals. It can also attain noble gas configuration of helium by accepting one electron. It resembles the property of both alkali metals and halogens. Therefore, it is sometimes placed in first A with alkali metals and sometimes in 7th A with halogens. Hydrogen in the first group. What are the similarities? Why the hydrogen is placed in the first group? What are the points supported to place the hydrogen in the first group? Electronic configuration. Like alkali metals, hydrogen also contains one electron in its outermost shell. Example, hydrogen is 1 and lithium 2, 1. So therefore hydrogen and lithium both having one electron in the outermost shell. Second one, electropositive character. Like alkali metals, hydrogen also loses one electron to form hydrogen plus H plus ion. And third supported point and similarities is oxidation state. Like alkali metals, hydrogen exhibits an oxidation state of +1 in its compounds. Example, hydrogen chloride and sodium chloride. Next, combination with non-metals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with non-metals such as oxygen and sulfur, forming their oxides and sulfides. For example, H2O, like Na2O and K2O. And the last and final similarity is like alkali metals, hydrogen also acts as strong reducing agents. These are the points supporting to place hydrogen in the first group. What is the dissimilarities? Alkali metals are typical metals, but hydrogen is non-metal, so we know that hydrogen is a gas. And second point is compounds of alkali metals are ionic. Sodium chloride is ionic compound, potassium chloride is also ionic compound, whereas compounds of hydrogen mostly covalent nature. Hydrogen chloride, covalent nature, and H2O, that is also covalent compound. So therefore these are the dissimilarities, which the points which are not supporting to place the hydrogen in the first A group. the resemblance of hydrogen with halogens. So now we are discussing the points which the supported the hydrogen to place in the 7th group or 17th group. 17th group is also called halogens. The first one, electronic configuration. All halogens have 7 electrons in their respective outermost shell, thus have one less electron than stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Hydrogen, on the other hand, has 1 electron less than stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, helium. So what is this mean? Like halogens, hydrogen also wants to get 1 electron to attain the noble electronic configuration. And electronegative character. Halogens have a strong tendency to gain 1 electron to form halide ions. In similar way, hydrogen shows some tendency to gain 1 electron to form hydride ion, H- ion we can say. So here oxidation state. Just like halogens, hydrogen shows an oxidation state of -1. Like halogens, hydrogen easily combines with non-metals such as carbon, silicon, nitrogen, etc. to form covalent compounds. Example CH4. So thus it can be placed both group 1 and group 17. So these points are suggested hydrogen will be placed in group 17. Next, why hydrogen is not placed in 17th group elements? If you observe the lot of periodic table, the hydrogen is placed in 1st year group, not in 7th year group. Hydrogen, so mostly we know that the periodic table is based on electronic configuration. So therefore hydrogen has electronic configuration that is similar to the group 1 elements, which is 1s1. And it readily loses its electron to form H+ ion, which is same as the electropositive character of group 1 elements. These two are the strong points to suggest hydrogen is placed in 1st year group, not in 7th year group. 7th year group, or we can say 17th group. Okay, so that is end of my presentation. Thank you.